Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation.This by using the reset code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's choose the phone's dialer right here, and let's use the following secret code: *## 284657 #*#*. As you can see, project menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Let's choose Restore Factory. And if you would like to accomplish the hard reset operation, so if you would like to erase all personal data and customize settings, let's tap OK. Right now the smartphone is erasing everything from the device. Let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, reset is successful, so now let's choose shutdown. Wait a few seconds and let's press power key to switch on the device. As you can see, the smartphone is turning on, so let's wait a few seconds until the welcome panel pops up. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.